Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today is August the 17th of 2025. We have made it to day number 119 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. And hope you guys had a good weekend. It is Sunday, and we're going to be heading into the week. And I hope, everyone has a good week this week. Okay. So if you guys have no idea what's going on in these videos or what I be talking about when I come in and shoot these videos, we are taking one offer from a place called ClickBank, okay? And we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. All right. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year, okay, of shooting this challenge. All right. So we are on track right now, guys. Things are looking pretty good. Okay, we are getting some traction. Our algorithm is changing. Our sales are getting closer together. So we're on track. Okay, to be able, hopefully, to be able to accomplish that by the end of this challenge. All right. So we're in month 4, and let's go ahead and hop right to it. We're on day number 119. So let's go ahead and go over here to the My Legion Secret platform. So if you don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing, business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 brand new leads. Okay. And what separates two, okay, is however many accounts that you have. Okay. So the more accounts that you have, the more leads that you're going to get. So if you have multiple accounts, more than likely you're going to have those 200 leads that are coming in every single day. If you only have one account, you're only going to get that 100, set of subscribers coming in every day. Okay. The cool thing is that you can send one email out every single day. Okay. To your visitors. So, me, just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've been doing this for a while now, guys. I can tell you that these leads do work. They do convert. I've received paychecks from My Legion Secrets. I've also received paychecks from ClickBank, which is where what I'm receiving now. I've worked with the Max Bounty, which is another CPA network, and also Warrior Plus. Okay, so this traffic not only I mean you can use more than ClickBank is what I'm trying to say. Something that has some kind of business opportunity to offer, okay, that will work with something like this because these people care about making money. Okay, they want to learn how to make money online. Okay, it's our job to go out and find offers, create an email, and send them to this traffic. Okay, now with ClickBank, it's the reason why we're using that because it's very easy to get started. Okay. You can go there, clickbank.com, create you an account. I mean, I don't have any links for ClickBank. I'm not trying to sell you on ClickBank or anything like that, but it's a free platform that you can use, and you can use those offers that they have on there in the business opportunity section. Okay, so that's why I'm, advocating for ClickBank because that's what, it's easy to get started, guys. It doesn't cost you anything to get started with this platform. These individuals have already created the product for us. All we got to do, everything is already ready for us. All we got to do is grab the offer, copy and paste the emails, and send them over to this traffic. Okay. And the cool thing about the ClickBank platform in the business opportunity section, a lot of these offers that are on there, they have pre-written emails that you can use. Okay. So all you got to do is copy and paste them over to this platform. Okay. And then you grab your affiliate link and you make a clickable link in your email, and you get people to click on that link whenever they're reading the email. And then when they click on it, it goes to your affiliate page, and your affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay. So all we got to do is get the traffic to our affiliate link. Okay. So we can basically hopefully get paid, from someone reading it and being interested in starting to work with us and make money with us. Okay. So this is the back office, guys. This is what your account is going to look like. Right now, I have 8 different accounts. Okay, I've been doing this for a while, guys. 8 different accounts, that I use, and it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to come in every single day and to copy and paste emails over. Okay, Now, the cool thing about this platform is once you send out emails, they will be stored in this back office part right here, okay, under saved emails. Okay, so you can go to saved emails and just go to all the emails, and they'll be all saved in here, guys. Okay, and then so because all you would have to do is grab an email and then click on load, and then it's going to load up, right? And then all you got to do is click on perfect timing, and then you come down here. That's a clickable link right there. And you come down here and you click on, send now. Okay. It's very easy to do. Now, I've already sent out my emails today. Okay. I've already, sent my emails out. It only took me about 5, 10 minutes. And I can come back in here tomorrow at the same time, right? And send out another email, okay, to my list, however many subscribers that I have in this list. Okay. So that's the cool thing, is that we can come in every single day and we can send out these emails. Okay. It is very easy to do, and it's effective if you do it correctly. Okay. So this is what it would look like, guys. You would just come here to the mailing system right here, and then you click on select all. What it's going to do is going to load up all of your emails there, and then you're going to be able to come in and send out these emails every single day. Now, let's talk about the offer that we're using right now. The offer that we're using is called Social Sales Rep. It's live chat jobs on ClickBank. Whenever you go to ClickBank in the e-business, e-marketing section, this is one of the top offers. And this is the offer that we're going to be using for this video series. Okay. So as you can see, this offer has free email swipes. Okay. These email swipes are already pre-written emails that are tested and, you know, tested by this person that made this offer, and they convert. Okay. When I first started promoting this offer, I just came through here and I sent out all these emails. I just go down one from day one. I'll come back in the next day, do that one, come back in the next day, do that one, and so on, right? And that's all you have to do, guys. Okay. And then once you come in and you send out all these emails, they'll be in your saved email section. So all you got to do once you get down to 20 is you're going to start back up to one again, right? So when you get to 20, all your emails will be saved. So you can literally go in here and find the email and then click on it, and then it'll take you to that email. So it'll load up that email. So boom, and then boom, and just load it up, and then boom, and all you got to do is click send. That's why it takes me only 5, 10 minutes, because I already got my emails that I want to send out in there, and then I can just click on send, right? So it's super easy to do. And that's all you have to do with this platform. Now, you don't actually have to use this offer. You can go, they have other offers that are just like this that convert as well. Okay. So don't seem like you have to use this one just because I'm using it. You can use whatever you want. As a matter of fact, they have another offer called Pan Social Media Jobs that works really good. They have the free email swipes. I've tested that one. I've earned money with that one, and you can go in this video series and see as well. Also, not Warrior Plus. I'm thinking Right at Reviews is another offer on ClickBank that works, and they have the free email swipes. So there's a few offers, and paying writing jobs is another offer that works. So that's three offers right there that you guys can go to if you don't want to use this one. Okay. So you would come down here, and you would just simply, you just want to simply grab one of these offers, right? So let's just say, for instance, you want to grab the first offer. You will grab the subject line, Control C, come over here to the system, come down here where it says subject line, and then Control V. You see how easy that is? You just paste that into the subject line there. Okay, and then you come down here to the body of text. You can erase all that out, and then you can come over here and grab your offer, and then you would just grab all this body of text right here. Boom, Control C, come back over here, and then Control V. Like, very easy to do. And then you want to take out the name right here, and you want to put in this code right here. This code is this is an embedded code. So basically, whenever you put this in your email, it's going to address your customer by their first name. So it's going to say like, hey, Jermaine, hey, John, hey, whatever your name is, right? And it's going to go into your email, right? And then you want to take this out right here. and you either want to put in your name or management, whichever one. And then this right here, we want to turn this into a clickable link. So right here, you just go right here to the link tab. Any part where you want to make a link, you would just highlight it and go over here to the link tab, and then you're going to put your link in, and your link is going to be found under every email. Okay. Every email has its own affiliate link, okay, that goes with this email. So this is why I like sending out these emails so much, is because they already have a link that's dedicated to this type of email, okay? So, which is pretty awesome. And so what all we have to do is copy that. And then right here is where we put in our affiliate ID. Okay. You don't leave this in here like this. They want you to, this is why they say your ClickBank ID. This is where your ClickBank ID goes. Okay. Not mine, not anyone else's, but your own personal link. All right. So we're going to make that a clickable link. Okay. And we're going to come here. Just remember, take this out. I'm just showing you an example, and put in your link. Okay. And then boom, what that does is turns that into a clickable link. Okay, so this link is going to be clickable whenever this email goes out. Okay, and you can make it bigger, smaller, however you want. You can space it out if you want. Usually I like to space my stuff out. Okay, that way it's easier to read for somebody when they're trying to look at your email. Okay, so this email right here would be an email that would be ready to go. Okay. So you can always preview it. There's a preview that you can do. What that do is it'll pull up your email in real time. That way you can click on this link to make sure that it goes to your affiliate link. Okay. And that's very important that you test your links before you actually send them out to your traffic. Because the last thing you want is to send out send out an email. It goes out to, hundreds, thousands of people, and your link doesn't work. Okay. So it's an ineffective email that you're just basically wasting your dollars and wasting your time. Okay. So you want to make sure that your affiliate link is there. That way you get the opportunity to earn income if somebody is ready to buy. Okay. And these leads, these people, when you have the right offer and you have the right email, these people buy. Okay. I'm just telling you that up front. All right. So let's go ahead and that's it, guys. We will just click on send now. That email is ready. Always make sure that you got this check mark in here. That way, this email goes out at the right time. Okay. So it's very important you have that in there. And then this email is, we just sent out an email to our list, right? So what you would do is just you would copy this same email and subject line over to your other account, and you would, log into your other account and then send out that email. Okay. And this is how we're able to get in front of thousands of people, hundreds of people. Okay. And start getting eyeballs on our offer. And then eventually people, sign up and buy with us. Okay. But that's how you send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system. It's very easy to do. Okay. There is a one-time charge of $60 to get started. And then $30 a month to keep the service, which is just a no-brainer. Okay. If you guys want to get started, click on Join My Lead Gen Secret right here. Click on that link. Okay, it's going to take you to the homepage, and this is where you would get started right here. Okay. You can come down here. You see all these testimonials, people getting paid. As you can see, people earning money. People are making money with this program. Okay. So I just wanted to show you what this looks like. A lot of testimonials and success stories from people earning income with this. All right. So go ahead and get started today. It's totally up to you. Okay. Either way I go, I'm going to still keep sending out emails and making money. So if you want to get on with me, you're more than welcome. All right. So let's go here. Let's go to ClickBank. Okay. We sent out some emails last night. And then let's go ahead and check out the results to see if we got any type of traffic. All right. So let's come down here. Now, as you can see, we've had some sales here. We had a little gap here, and then there's a gap here. Okay. So the algorithm it has been lately is that we haven't got a sale for 2 days has been the longest that we went without a sale. Okay. So I'm kind of expecting some kind of sale tomorrow because that's been the algorithm for the last couple of weeks, last few weeks. It's just kind of been looking like this, right? We get a sale maybe every day for a little bit, and then we'll, skip a day, or we'll go a couple of days without getting a sale. Okay, and then we'll get a sale on that third day. So today is the 17th. This is the traffic. Obviously, we didn't get any rebuilds today. But let's see here. Let's see what kind of traffic we got today here. Okay, so we're promoting this offer right here called Social Sales Rep. So today we did 883 hops, 840 hops, which is brand new IP addresses. And then also we got one order form impression. Okay, this is someone who went to the checkout page. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they did not buy. Okay, but today we did get a sale. Okay, and that's what I've been waiting on. For some reason, we have not been getting the free trial sales. It's been 4 or 5 days since I've seen a free trial sale. Okay, I was almost getting concerned on that, but I think I'm going to. I think I kind of know what the issue is as far as some of these emails. Some of these emails that we send out, we can probably zero in on some of the emails that actually are, working for us. Okay. And just send out those emails and then duplicate those emails that are actually bringing in the sales. Okay. And that's a strategy that I'm going to show you guys. Okay. But we did get a sale today, which is pretty awesome. So this is a free trial sale. So someone signed up for the free trial today and they're going to get billed in 3 days and we're going to get paid on that third day. So I believe it's maybe Wednesday or something when we'll see this commission. All right. Now tomorrow I'm going to be looking for some kind of rebill. Okay. Usually these rebills have been coming in from people that have been signing up on previous months. So I'll be looking for some kind of action tomorrow. Okay. But, not going to hang my head low on it, because I know what's to come. Okay. So just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. We did get a sale today, that will, be paid out to us here in a few days. All right. Which is pretty cool. So just wanted to show you guys the traffic. We did get some traffic today. I've already sent out my emails tonight and we'll come back here tomorrow and we'll check the results on everything. I like to leave these results for the end of the video, so you guys can kind of see the traffic and what kind of day we had today. All right. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. Peace.